Welcome to our in-depth guide on how to become a DevOps engineer through a complete master's program. In today's rapidly evolving IT landscape, DevOps has become one of the most in-demand roles. Whether you're a software developer, IT operations specialist, or just starting, this video will show you the steps to master the world of DevOps. Stick around as we break down key skills, tools, and certifications you need to succeed. Plus, what is GoLogica DevOps Engineer Master Program has to offer? What is DevOps? Why choose a DevOps career? Essential skills and tools for a DevOps engineer. Overview of the DevOps Engineer Master Program. Roadmap to become a DevOps engineer. Job market conclusion. What is DevOps? First, let's start by answering the question, what exactly is DevOps? DevOps is a set of practices that brings development, dev, and operations ops teams together to create a more efficient and reliable software delivery process. It focuses on continuous integration, continuous delivery, CI/CD, automation, and collaboration. With DevOps, you can streamline workflows, reduce deployment failures, and ensure that updates and fixes are delivered faster. For a company, this means fewer delays and fewer bottlenecks in software production. For you, it means mastering high-demand skills that can fast-track your career. Why choose a DevOps career? So, why should you consider a career in DevOps? The job market is booming. The demand for DevOps engineers has skyrocketed in recent years, with companies embracing cloud computing, containerization, and automation. According to various studies, DevOps is one of the highest-paying roles in tech, with salaries often exceeding six figures. Moreover, DevOps roles offer excellent career growth. You'll have the chance to work with cutting-edge tools, and many DevOps engineers move on to leadership roles or specialize in areas like cloud engineering, site reliability engineering, SRE, and automation architecture. If you're passionate about automating processes, improving efficiency, and continuously learning new technologies, DevOps might be your calling. Essential skills and tools for a DevOps engineer. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the essential skills and tools every DevOps engineer needs to master. Linux fundamentals and scripting. Linux is the backbone of most cloud platforms and DevOps environments. Mastering Linux commands and scripting languages like Bash, Python, or Perl is crucial. Version control systems. Git is the most widely used version control tool in DevOps. Understanding Git workflows, branching strategies, and tools like GitHub or GitLab is key for collaboration. CI/CD pipeline tools. Continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines are central to DevOps. Tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, Circle CI, or Azure Pipelines help automate testing and deployment. Configuration management tools. Automating configuration and server management is critical. Learn tools like Ansible, Puppet, or Chef to manage infrastructure as code, IAC. Containerization and orchestration. Docker is the go-to tool for containerization, allowing developers to package applications and dependencies into a single image. Kubernetes is essential for managing, scaling, and automating containerized applications. Cloud platforms. In today's DevOps world, cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud are indispensable. You'll need to understand services like EC2, S3, Lambda, and Kubernetes Engine. Monitoring and logging. DevOps engineers are responsible for monitoring systems in real time. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, ELK Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, and Datadog are widely used for performance monitoring and log management. Security best practices. With DevOps on the rise, security is now integrated into the DevOps lifecycle. Learn how to implement security at every stage of the development pipeline. These are just a few of the many tools and skills you'll master in our DevOps Engineer Master Program. Overview of the DevOps Engineer Master Program. Our DevOps Engineer Master Program is designed to transform you from a beginner into an expert. Here's a breakdown of what the program offers. Foundation courses. We start with the basics: Linux, Git, and scripting. You'll learn how to work with version control systems and scripting languages before moving on to more advanced topics. CI/CD mastery. The program covers the entire CI/CD pipeline in depth. You'll work on real-world projects with tools like Jenkins and GitLab CI to automate testing and deployments. Cloud platforms and infrastructure as code. Cloud computing is at the heart of DevOps, so you'll become proficient in AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. You'll also dive into infrastructure as code, IAC, using Terraform and Ansible to manage cloud resources efficiently. Docker and Kubernetes containerization and orchestration are critical to DevOps. Our courses on Docker and Kubernetes ensure you're fully equipped to manage microservices and scalable applications. Monitoring and security. The program teaches you how to implement security and monitoring from the beginning of the development cycle. You'll learn how to set up logging, alerts, and security measures to keep systems safe and optimized. Real-world projects. What sets our program apart is hands-on learning. You'll complete multiple capstone projects, including setting up CI/CD pipelines, deploying applications on Kubernetes, and automating infrastructure on AWS. Job assistance and certification. Upon completing the course, you'll receive a DevOps Engineer Master Certificate. We also offer job placement support, resume building assistance, and interview prep to help you land your dream job. Roadmap to become a DevOps engineer. Now, let's talk about the roadmap to becoming a DevOps engineer. If you're wondering how long it will take and what steps are involved, here's a simple breakdown. Learn the basics. First month, start with Linux, Git, and basic scripting. Get comfortable with these tools before moving on to more advanced topics. Master CI/CD, second month. Learn about continuous integration, testing automation, and deployment strategies. Start practicing with tools like Jenkins and GitLab CI. Get hands-on with cloud platforms, third month. Choose one or more cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, and dive deep into them. Practice setting up cloud environments, automating tasks, and deploying applications. Focus on containers and orchestration, fourth month. Learn Docker and Kubernetes thoroughly. Build and deploy containerized applications, manage clusters, and automate scaling. Enhance monitoring and security skills, fifth month. Learn how to monitor applications, set up alerts, and ensure security. By now, you'll be comfortable managing a full DevOps pipeline. Complete real-world projects, fifth and sixth months. Build a portfolio by completing real-world projects. This will not only solidify your knowledge, but also impress future employers. Job market: DevOps Engineer, responsible for automating workflows, CI/CD pipelines, and improving deployment efficiency. Average salary, $95,000 to $130,000 per year. Release Manager. Release managers coordinate product releases, manage timelines, and ensure smooth deployment without disruptions. Average salary, $85,000 to $120,000 annually. Automation Engineer. Automation engineers design and implement scripts and tools to streamline processes and reduce manual work. Average salary, $90,000 to $125,000 annually. Site Reliability Engineer, SRE. SREs focus on improving system reliability, managing incidents, and implementing monitoring strategies. Average salary, $100,000 to $140,000 annually. Cloud Architect. Cloud architects design and manage scalable cloud infrastructure to support DevOps practices and services. Average salary, $120,000 to $160,000 annually. Conclusion. Becoming a DevOps engineer is a journey that requires dedication, practice, and continuous learning. GoLogica DevOps Engineer Master Program is designed to guide you through every step of the way, providing you with the tools, knowledge, and projects that mirror real-world DevOps environments. Remember, the future of IT is DevOps, and your future is waiting. Don't wait. Transform your career today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.